Hiya guys, Shep from Tool Connection here. In this episode we're going to take a look at a few of the new products from within the Laser Tools range. So guys, within our toolkits we all have a style of a locking wrench. Let's take a look at this new automatic adjusting locking wrench from within the laser range, which makes it easier to use and more versatile. So let me demonstrate how the locking wrench works on these two items here. We can simply put the grip around this, watch the automatic adjuster go up and simply lock the wrench without any adjustment at all. Moving on to the larger size, without any adjustment on the wrench again, we can simply clamp on, adjust and lock. Simple. This tool is a great addition to anyone's toolbox. So now let's talk about wheel bearings. With this kit here from Laser Tools, we can extract a Generation 1 wheel bearing from the vehicle without the need to remove the knuckle or the hub from the vehicle, whether it be front or rear wheel drive, depending on application. Let's take a look at what's in the kit. So first of all, within the kit, we have our main frame here, which is a C-shaped frame and 3 adapters, which can be bolted to the main frame dependent on the shape of our hub and the style of vehicle that we're working on. The frame attaches to the hub of the vehicle. We select one of our adapter plates from the kit onto the back of the bearing, take our nut, lubricate it with the specified grease, thread it onto the back, and now we can tighten from the front of the hub and extract the bearing from the vehicle. By using one of the other adapters within the kit, the tool can also be used to refit the new bearing into the hub, making this a great time-saving tool. And now we're going to talk about fuel vaporizer valves as fitted to the Ford TDCi range of vehicles. Let me introduce the new specifically designed crow's foot for aiding the removal of the valve from the exhaust system. Sometimes it may be necessary to have the exhaust system hot on the vehicle before trying to remove the sensor. Let me introduce also the hand impact driver from the laser range, which simply connects to our crow's foot and goes onto our sensor. As we impact our wrench, it simply rotates the crow's foot and aids the removal, also keeping your hands away from the heat of the exhaust system. So if you find these vaporizer valves difficult to access, this is another great tool for getting you out of trouble. Whilst we're talking about impact wrenches, let's look at the 2 air-powered impact wrenches from within the laser range. The first one we have here is the 1/2 inch gun, which fits perfectly in your hand. Both guns have a 3-way adjustment on the rear of the gun, whether it be in forward or reverse action. The 1/2 inch drive gun has a maximum torque of just under 950 Newton meters, making it a great access tool for good power. The other gun we have here is 3/4 drive, which is smaller in design than your average 1/2 inch drive air gun. It's a very powerful unit, providing a maximum torque of around about 1500 Newton meters, making it a great impact wrench. So, all in all, more great tools from the Laser Tools range. Until next time, as always, stay connected and stay safe.